Let's take this puppy for a spin. I got shocks. All right. These are just regular O'Reilly Monroe gas magnum shocks because, it was a lot easier than I thought. Honestly, because this truck needs them. And I don't know what I'm doing suspension wise in the shocks in the long term, so why buy expensive shocks when these will work? So let's get these mounted. So we got, we're under the 450 here, and I know, that diff needs some love, which I will do when I get around to it. But it doesn't actually leak, and it was probably empty, so there's that. We gotta figure out, oh, look at that. Oh, look at this truck. Look at this truck. Oh. Oh. I know you didn't get to see a lot, but she's party. She's party. Anyways, let's get this off of here. I'm gonna need something on the bottom. Jesus. Today. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to get the big ones out. That's really annoying. Oh, okay, that might be good enough. Nope. God. Well, I'll be back in a second. Well, I'm a little worried. I could definitely move it, but I gotta be quick about this. What if I jack it up and bring this up to here? I don't know if that'll work. I guess we could just try. Let's go get the jack. I'm only slightly concerned with this. Here, I'm gonna stage the bolt. Wish I had my dikes. I don't know where they went. Okay, there we go. That wasn't as bad. And here we are, finishing up numero uno. $15 on the bottom, $18 on the top. Why? It's gotta torque it to 18 volt or whatever these are. These 18 volts? I don't know. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, a little more. good enough. Oh, look at those. Well, we have 4 more, as you can see, and I guess I should do them. But we also got some cool stuff from O'Reilly's while we were there. You're gonna need bananas. Look at that, a flat bungee with carabiners. We'll use that for the fuel nozzle, I think. Gotta smell good. And then this back to black. Trim and plastic restorer for those fenders up front that I'm not gonna keep for very long, but should try it out. Maybe I will keep them. Who knows? So throw them in 350. When the wife is driving down the road, it'll blow out. It's recycling. It returns the cardboard to the forest where it came from. These front ones are a little different. So these are the back ones, the rear ones, and this is the front ones. And it came with these, which look important. Maybe this is like a lift kit. Like a 2-inch leveling kit, yeah? Maybe, but. Let's take this puppy for a spin. New shocks and all. Let's see what she looks like. Now, remember, I only did the rear ones. So the front might still make some noise. But let's just drop the tire off. Nope, missed. Oh, there it was a little bit. Oh, yeah. I'm kidding. I don't know. Let's go down a dirt road. That'll be the real tell, because, and this camera might be bouncing because I'm holding it with my hand. But here's a dirt road. So far, so good. Before it would like bottom out. Here's some bumps. That definitely helped. Oh, shut up. Oh, someone ripped a donut over here. This might be a little bumpy. Not bad still, not bad. I'm super happy. We're kicking up some dust back there though. I don't know if you can see that. Not bad at all. Someone's throwing some carpet out on this dirt road. Now, here's the real test. Let's go see if the GoPro is still there. Oh, it is. Hell yeah. I didn't hit record. I just put it on. I didn't hit record. All right, let's hit record again. All right, let's go drive on some more dirt roads. All right. I also fixed the shifter cable today. with some with some zip ties. So that's, oh yeah, that's so much better. I could, that would have made it would have bottomed out, and it would have felt like steel hitting the hammer hitting steel, basically. But let's see real quick. I'm barefoot on the road now, and I have baby feet. Oh, GoPro's still there. You see it right there? All right.